The Mould King V8 engine kit offers an exhilarating experience with its ability to simulate acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds, showcasing its remarkable engineering. Its transparent cylinder head design allows enthusiasts to observe the piston's movement, making it a fascinating educational tool for understanding engine dynamics. Comprising 2,718 pieces, this kit is compatible with mainstream building blocks and comes with detailed instructions, ensuring an engaging assembly process. Crafted from high-quality ABS materials, the building blocks undergo rigorous quality control checks to meet safety standards, offering both a challenge and a sense of accomplishment. Ideal for adults and collectors, this model serves as a perfect gift for special occasions like birthdays and holidays, promising hours of entertainment and satisfaction. The Mould King V8 engine kit not only provides a captivating building experience, but also serves as a stunning display piece once completed, appealing to both hobbyists and collectors alike.